Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about side hustles, because who couldn't use some extra cash? And not just any side hustles, we're diving into the best ones that pay you weekly right here in the USA. That's right, you get paid every single week, which means you can actually use that money to pay your bills, invest, or just treat yourself. We're also going to be talking about how these side hustles can actually be tax-friendly, so you can keep more of that hard-earned money. Let's get started. First up, we've got freelancing. Now, freelancing is amazing because you can literally work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Imagine sipping coffee in a quaint cafe in New York, or lounging on a beach in California while getting your work done. The flexibility is unparalleled, and the best part is, there are tons of different freelancing platforms out there, like Upwork and Fiverr, that connect you with clients from all over the globe. These platforms make it easy to find work that matches your skills and interests. Think about it. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management? The possibilities are endless. You can even offer niche services like voiceover work, virtual assistants, or video editing. Whatever your skill set, chances are there's someone out there willing to pay you for it. And the demand for freelance services is only growing as more businesses look for flexible, cost-effective solutions. And the beauty of these platforms is that they often handle the payment processing for you, so you don't have to worry about chasing down clients for payments. This means you can focus more on doing what you love and less on administrative tasks. Plus, when you freelance, you become your own boss. You have the freedom to make decisions that best suit your lifestyle and career goals. You set your own hours, you choose your own projects, and you have complete control over your income. This level of autonomy can be incredibly empowering and motivating. Want to work from home in your pajamas? Go for it. The comfort and convenience of working from home can greatly enhance your productivity and work-life balance. Want to travel the world and work from exotic beaches? Freelancing gives you that freedom. You can explore new cultures and experiences while maintaining your career. And here's the kicker: freelancing can be incredibly tax-friendly. You can take advantage of various deductions that can significantly reduce your taxable income. You see, when you're self-employed, you're able to deduct a whole bunch of business expenses, like your internet bill, your home office space, software subscriptions, and even business travel. These deductions can add up and make a big difference in your overall financial picture. These deductions can significantly lower your taxable income, which means you get to keep more of your hard-earned money. It's a win-win. So if you're looking for a way to leverage your skills and increase your paycheck, freelancing might just be the perfect fit for you. Next up, we've got ride-sharing, which is a fantastic option if you own a car and enjoy driving. Imagine turning those hours spent in traffic into productive, money-making time. Instead of just commuting, you could be earning. Platforms like Uber and Lyft are incredibly popular in the USA, and they offer a great way to earn some extra cash on your own terms. These platforms have made it easier than ever to get started, with simple sign-up processes and user-friendly apps. You can choose to drive on weekends, evenings, or even during your lunch break. The flexibility is completely up to you. This means you can fit driving around your existing commitments, whether that's a full-time job, studies, or family responsibilities. One of the best things about ride-sharing is that you get paid weekly. This regular income can be a great way to manage your finances, helping you to budget more effectively and avoid cash flow problems. That means no more waiting 2 weeks or even a whole month to get your hands on your earnings. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor much sooner, which can be incredibly satisfying. Plus, you can actually see how much you're making after each ride, which can be super motivating. This immediate feedback helps you set and achieve your financial goals more effectively. And here's where it gets even better. Ride-sharing can be surprisingly tax-friendly. Many drivers are unaware of the potential tax benefits that come with being an independent contractor. You see, as a ride-share driver, you're considered an independent contractor, which means you can deduct a lot of your driving expenses. This can significantly reduce your taxable income, leaving more money in your pocket. We're talking about things like mileage, which can add up quickly if you're driving a lot. Tolls, parking fees, car washes, all of these can be deducted, and even a portion of your car insurance and maintenance costs. Keeping track of these expenses can lead to substantial savings. These deductions can add up big time, especially if you're driving frequently. So not only are you earning money from ride-sharing, but you're also saving money through tax deductions. It's a win-win situation. Now, if you're looking for a side hustle that's always in demand, look no further than food delivery. This booming industry has seen exponential growth, especially in recent years, making it a lucrative option for many. With the rise of food delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub, there's never been a better time to get in on the action. These platforms have revolutionized the way we order food, creating a seamless experience for both customers and delivery partners. Just like ride-sharing, food delivery offers incredible flexibility. You can work around your existing commitments, whether you're a student, a parent, or someone with a full-time job looking to make extra income on the side. You can choose to deliver whenever it's convenient for you, whether it's a few hours a week or every day. This flexibility allows you to balance your work and personal life effectively, making it an ideal option for many. And the best part? You get paid weekly. This means you don't have to wait for a month to see the fruits of your labor. Regular payments can help you manage your finances better and meet your immediate needs. That's right, no more waiting around for your paycheck. The consistent cash flow can be a game changer, especially if you have bills to pay or other financial commitments. Plus, you often get to keep 100% of the tips you earn, which can really add up, especially during peak hours or if you provide exceptional service. Happy customers are more likely to tip generously, rewarding your hard work and dedication. And just like ride-sharing, food delivery can be surprisingly tax-friendly. As an independent contractor, you have the advantage of claiming various deductions that can significantly lower your taxable income. As an independent contractor, you can deduct a variety of expenses related to your delivery work, such as mileage, parking fees, and even a portion of your phone bill. These deductions can add up, making a noticeable difference in your overall earnings. So not only are you earning extra cash, but you're also potentially reducing your tax burden. This dual benefit makes food delivery an attractive option for anyone looking to boost their income while enjoying the perks of flexible work. If you're passionate about a particular subject and enjoy helping others learn, then online tutoring might be the perfect side hustle for you. With the rise of online learning platforms, there's a huge demand for tutors in a wide range of subjects, from math and science to languages and music. One of the best things about online tutoring is that you can often set your own rates and work from the comfort of your own home. Plus, many online tutoring platforms handle the payment processing for you, so you don't have to worry about invoicing or collecting payments. And guess what? You often get paid weekly. That means you can start earning extra cash right away without having to wait weeks for a paycheck. Plus, online tutoring can be incredibly rewarding as you're helping others achieve their academic goals. Finally, let's talk about Airbnb hosting in the USA. If you have a spare room, an extra apartment, or even just a couch you're willing to rent out, Airbnb can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. With millions of travelers using Airbnb every year, there's a huge demand for unique and affordable accommodations, especially in popular tourist destinations. One of the best things about Airbnb hosting is that you can set your own prices and availability. You can choose to rent out your space for a few nights a week, weekends only, or even for longer-term stays. The flexibility is completely up to you. And here's the kicker. Airbnb pays out its hosts on a weekly basis. That means you can start seeing a steady stream of income coming in every single week, which can be a game changer for your finances. So there you have it. 5 amazing side hustles that can put extra cash in your pocket every single week, right here in the USA. The best part is, these side hustles offer incredible flexibility and earning potential, allowing you to achieve your financial goals while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're interested in trying. See you in the next video.